A lot of thought goes into what position we want to place this balloon as it's going up. There's not a lot of wind out here this morning, which is a good thing as far as the height is concerned. For the launch, we can go straight up.
Right? Yeah. Does it feel like it's coming this way? And it looks like it's coming that way too. It's higher up. Yeah. Yeah, look at that cloud there.
Yeah, checking out the clouds. Seeing where the wind's blowing, what direction.
So we're not going to
This is the setup, how this goes together.
stage some of this out. Everything's movies.
Alright, we're getting ready to launch.
We actually did a little bit of testing to see how stable the platform would be, and added this extra weight on the bottom that helps the rocket dampen down a little bit. So I think we're good to go.
Hey, here we go.
Well, today we were hoping to send up phones up to a high altitude around 400, 500 feet. In doing so, we would get some really valuable footage of not only of Penn State and the State College area, but this footage would show us the capabilities of the phone. In particular, for the Google Lunar X Prize, they have particular specifications that the phone must have. For example, they have to have at least 720p HD video, and having these phones flown up with that 720p video just shows some of the capabilities of the phones that we have.
So this phone will be on the craft that you guys are building?
Yeah, I mean, it's a possibility. There's nothing set in stone right now. Right now we're just in the testing phase. It might not even be a phone, it could be another commercial camera, something along those lines.
Now, you're just a sophomore, but what is the spacecraft? What does that mean?
It's a very big deal. For me, it's still a little bit above my head. Anything I can do to help pretty much is very exciting to me, because I know all of my peers really don't have these opportunities that I have, and I feel like I really am blessed to have these opportunities.
And what's the impact it's going to have on you, win or lose this competition, as well as Penn State University?
Let alone, I think the main thing is just the experience, the work experience that I have in the lab. Once again, with the thermal vacuum chamber testing, the SSPO was more than glad to teach me everything that I know about the thermal vacuum test. Also being sent to Palestine, Texas for a NASA integration, also a great experience just to look at the next step. If I were to work at NASA myself, maybe something I would see in the future.
So you're taking this as a learning experience to project your future career. So
Exactly, yes.
Talk about that as this competition, this team, you have over 100 members. It's probably the largest team you've ever worked on.
Yeah, oh definitely. This is almost the first team I worked on, let alone my only team that I worked on was in high school back in a senior design project. A team this size I've never worked on before. It's a great work experience, preparing for the real world. It's given me some leadership opportunities, it's been great working with different kinds of engineering fields. For example, I would work with aerospace engineers. I would work with other electricals, mechanical engineers, all in the SSPL lab.
So you're the only university in this competition. What does that say about you and your fellow students in Penn State University?
Well, for one, I'm proud of Penn State to be the only university-led team. It just shows us just the drive and perseverance that students do have, just to be above and beyond. Not only just other universities, but competing with other global organizations. That's something to stand for by itself.
We'll talk about Michael Paul, kind of the overall manager of this one too. What's it like working with him?
Our manager, Michael Paul, he's a really nice guy. He actually gave me this opportunity as a student. Lucky enough to bring me in as a freshman. He's been a great mentor. He's led me through all my problems that I've had, engineering-wise and everything, all the issues. He's given me all the opportunities. He's the one who suggested that I go to Palestine, Texas, to gain some more work experience and to experience NASA integration.
And this is, you're in the whole works of being part of history here at Penn State. I mean, what does that mean to you? Win or lose, you guys are still going to launch.
Exactly. Either way, this is groundbreaking, especially for me. I still can't imagine helping to send anything to the moon, especially as a second-year student now. It really means a lot to me. So.
And then where do you see your future going because of this project?
Actually, this really biases my opinion now. I really want to get into the space industry, either work for NASA, work for Lockheed Martin. Before, actually, I wasn't sure where I wanted to go. I just knew I wanted to be an electrical engineer. This really helped to broaden my perspective and see exactly what I want to do in the future, which is the space industry.
And you're looking to launch in either 2014 or 15. Are you committed to the end?
I'm definitely committed to the end. If they'll have me, of course. I'm committed to it, whatever they need.
All right. Perfect.
Yeah.
Thanks, man.
Thank you.